Bishi! Happy 4th of July! Ngayon ay pupunta tayo sa may Lexington. Pupunta tayo sa may Jollibee. Yung last namin kumain ng April sa may Jollibee. So ngayon ay pupunta tayo. Dahil pupunta kami sa may Lexington, dumaan na rin kami ng Jollibee. Magpipicture tayo dito kasi ano na nakita natin pa dito sa Jollibee. Jollibee, bida ang sarap. May napulis ako. I want the side.
Try this back, please. Try.
Yep.
Want to try? Hey, fried chicken. That's good. It was voted best. This is Kimchi's pickles.
Later.
You know me, I like to try everything. I remember that being better. What?
Can you like that?
That's more good. Supposed to become a toothpick.
Toothpick? Oh, get.
I'm wondering if it's one. You're supposed to. What's wrong? Here, I can put it over here. Let's leave it. Yeah, slide it. Use your teeth. Good. Chicken plate, huh? Yeah, you're saying we spoke about that yesterday. We talked about
Mama,
Yun na nga mga bishi, nakapag Jollibee na tayo at ngayon ay pupunta na tayo sa My Lexington. Init dito, grabe, ang init, ang init. Okay, nandito na tayo sa My Lexington. Mamaya ay pupunta kami sa My Lake. Mainit din dito. Happy 4th of July sa atin lahat. What daddy? Hello mga beshi! Punta tayo sa may dagat. No, hindi siya dagat, lake pala. Punta kami ngayon kasi mainit ang panahon. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Maganda yung weather niya ngayon. So, expect natin na maraming tao sa may lake. Malapit na tayo sa may lake. Yung lake dito parang akala mo dagat. I'm so excited to jump in the water. Mainit kasi.
Hi guys!
Oh my God, napakasarap ng hangin. Ang sarap-sarap ng hangin. Iniwan ko na yung aking husband. Bala yan siya dyan. Gusto ko i-feel yung hangin. Run, run, run. Ayan na guys, nandito na tayo sa may lake. Parang akala mo nasa dagat talaga. Pero ang tabang ng tubig. Run, run, run. Ayan na guys, nandito na tayo sa may lake. Parang akala mo nasa dagat talaga. Pero ang tabang ng tubig. Ayan, tabang. Oo, matabang.
I got it.
Okay, thank you. See, I told you, I asked you if I can carry the... My love, where?
How was this nice? Oh, it's a nice, yeah, it's really nice horse. The front nice, like the back
Hey mga bishi! Tingnan mo, grabe, ang daming tao. Crowded talaga dito kasi maraming nag-swimming. Buti na lang nakisama tong weather. Ang ganda. Wala akong balak mag-swimming kasi wala akong swimsuit. Pero mapipilitan ako ngayon mag-swimming kasi napakasarap tignan yung tubig. Sarap tumagon. Ang ganda. So, see ya. Bye muna kasi excited na akong tumalon sa dagat sa lake.
I did a box cutter retail. Oh, I see some baby eyes. I see some baby eyes.
Archer. Baby Archer.
I'm not a baby. You're a baby.
Baby Archer.
I'll get you. I'll get you.
Baby Archer.
I'll get you, baby. I'll get you, baby.
Are you happy now?
So good.
You can start your fire pit channel.
Fire pit channel?
You win awards for creativity.
What?
Win awards for creativity.
Isn't it pretty? That's fireworks.
Of July. Happy 4th of July, everyone! Oh my God! Oh, that's so cool.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Water scary. But you like it?
It's beautiful, huh?
The stone from the lake. Yung mga bato nito galing sa may sa lake siya. Sa mga bato inipon nila galing sa may sa may lake. So, yun lang mga bishi. See you next time. Bye!